I am finally making money with AI, and it is actually nothing technical. And it isn't just building things, it's selling things that barely exist and that you know how to distribute them. So today I'll show you how you can actually make money with AI. First, I'll tell you my story. I tried learning AI so hard because I wanted it to be my specific knowledge through courses, tutorials, gurus, videos, everything. Then after months of actually studying it, I had enough knowledge of AI, even though it was upgrading every single day, for start constructing something. At that moment, I wasn't making any money because I only knew how to do the things or have knowledge, but I wasn't building anything for distributing it and getting the actual money for myself. So learning it's not the same thing as earning. And by just creating an AI tool, that doesn't mean that you're gonna make earning instantly. You need to have a system, you need to have much more things behind it so you can sell it. And one of the most important things besides actually constructing it, that's the easy part by learning it, it's distributing them, making the right marketing, making the right things so that people actually want to buy the things that you build. The AI thing that I built that is making me money right now, a tool that uses Polymarket for actually analyzing all of the markets that are available in that moment, and with certain details and certain things, every single day it analyzes a specific market that have lots of information in the internet. After it investigated, it arrives to a conclusion of the most possible solution of that specific prediction. So the step-by-step of how can you build it, it's first the idea, then the AI plan, then the build, then the design, and finally the distribution. First, you have to arrive to the right idea, and you don't need to be thinking about an AI idea because it isn't the right approach. It's more like a sellable idea, something that even you will be interested in actually buying or paying a subscription for it. So you have to be searching a real problem that it can have a solution by what you are creating. The next step is the AI plan. This plan you can actually make it with Claude and Claude Code, because if you're talking with it by the AI chat, you can tell it your whole idea of the thing that you want to build, and there's a mode called the plan mode, so it will make you questions, and at the end it will make you a whole plan for developing the idea that you have using Claude or any other AI coding tool, because the AI makes the whole plan and it knows how to actually build it, put together the ideas that were just floating. The next step is actually building it. It's my favorite part because it's the most fun one and the one that you receive like the most gratitude of building something by yourself. So you plus the AI can create the product at the end, and you're learning what you're building. So probably in your first tries of building it, it can't be as good as you think about it, but you can be experimenting with different tools like Claude Design, Lovable, only Claude Code, GitHub repositories. You can be trying with lots of things and actually building it. It's simple if you're doing it with Claude Code. That's my personal recommendation, and I will make a video teaching you how to make it step by step. The next step, and it's the part when you show your credibility, is the actual design. So if you make a site, a landing page, or an app that looks like AI, that AI did it, where your credibility will disappear actually. So if you have generic outputs, no visual identity, and looks unfinished, well, there's no trust in it. But if you create a real product that looks like if it will be made by a graphic designer or by a professional, well, it can be much more able to get sales. And the last step, that is, if you don't make in the right way this one, all the other steps are going to be for nothing. And it's actually distributing what you have built and selling it in its part in which you get the money from the people. So you have the product, then you create the content, then you get the attention, then you get your first users, and then you get your money. And with that money, you are reinvesting it for making more marketing campaigns and also improving what you have created. Traffic is a multiplier of your gains, of your popularity, and it's the most important and probably the most difficult part, because you really need to have these organized and planned before making it, and while making it, be consistent. It's one of the most important things. Be consistent so you can have good results in your marketing campaign. And this is the realization part, because all of the people that I know doesn't know a shit about AI. They only know the chat, probably a little bit of Claude, but they are not aware of, they're not interested in what you can be building. But they should actually be, because you can build anything. This is the best time for making things so you can sell it, so you can sell your identity, your ideas. So take advantage of that. Other people might think that it's difficult, And it isn't easy, but it isn't as difficult as you might be thinking. If you are with the intention of actually learning AI and constructing something, not only learning, because a part of the shift is when you actually start building. So arrive to that point, everything might be changing from that. Well, with me, it actually did. So AI is not the opportunity. The opportunity is the system you create behind it and the mentality you have to do with those things. Most people will keep learning AI in the superficial way, but they're not gonna be actually building and selling these things. There's a gap between those type of people, and that gap is in the knowledge, is the actual execution. So be in the other side, take the advantage, and probably you will be thankful of doing it in the future. And it might be the most sure thing because the AI is the current big wave, and that's gonna be the future. I think in the bottom of ourselves we all know it, but the majority tries to don't be thinking about it so they can be more in peace with themselves by not learning the new thing. But well, you actually should. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.